Sa ating pagkakaalam po, pagka naglabas ng medical bulletin, dapat si serious illness. Kung sinabi ng Pangulo na hindi to life-threatening, so ba't kailanganin po sa ngayon ang medical treatment? Medical bulletin. Samantalang kami naman po ay nagpo-provide sa inyo kung anong ang kalagayan ng kalusugan ng Pangulo. Hindi po tayo maaaring magbigay ng anumang opinyon kung hindi naman manggagaling mismo sa doktor ng Pangulo at hindi manggagaling sa Pangulo. Sinabi po ng Pangulo, hindi po life-threatening, nakaramdam po siya ng konting sakit, at yan naman po ay tinutugunan ng kanyang mga doktor.
Well, it's only natural for the doctors to tell him to take a week rest. You know, last year I also had diverticulitis. I had it twice, December of 24 and January of 2025. Masakit yun. Ha? And I had downtime of a week for each episode at that time. So now I'm fully recovered, and I think in the next few weeks the president will be fully recovered.